Side. All set now, ready to race. 1 is the distance. Way they go. Embraceable Renzi Smile running in between runners. Polar Express. Lim Shotti is racing from the outside, running by Duralis and Z. It's now Renzi Smile by Tulens, followed by Polar Express. Embraceable is racing in third by Hapolan and running in fourth. Kitan on the Kids and C. And Lim Shotti is running at the tail of the pit as they round the 3/4 mile distance. The favorite Renzi Smile by Sam 5, followed by Polar Express. And on the outside, Embraceable Kitten on the keys is running down on the inside and she's second last. And Lim Shot is running in the tail of the field. Past the last 850, Renzi Smile by 3, followed by Embraceable Kitten on the keys. Down on the inside, Polar Express running in fourth. Lim Shot is now running second last and she's now running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Renzi Smile by Hapolan Kitten on the keys. Embraceable getting closer in third. Polar Express. Lim Shot is coming into the picture and she's now running at the tail of the field. Racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with Renzi Smile, Kitten on the keys, Embraceable, Polar Express, Lim Shoti and Sibaidral. And nearing the finish line, it's a Renzi Smile by some 3 lengths now. Kitten on the keys, Embraceable, and Lim Shoti from the outside. And finally, out of the line, Renzi Smile, Kitten on the keys, Embraceable, close, Polar Express, Lim Shoti, and NC comes last.